Yes. Yes. Now tell me, sir. What is the question? Yes, Lokanath, sir.
4, 6, 5, 6. Yesterday we wrote, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here I am in confusion. Yes, R1 first of all we adopted, and after that
Okay.
R,
4,
and here
6,
why we
5,
can't
6.
adopt R1?
See, first now, what is R1? Rule number 1 says if unit place is greater than 5.
Greater than 5.
6, 7, 8, 9. I mean.
Right. So it is greater than 5. Subtract 10 from it.
10 from 8.
Yes, 10. Then there will be bar 4.
4 bar.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And after that, 5 is subtracted from 9.
5 remains.
Now, this is second law says
Nine from
R2A says if it is less than 5, and R2B says if it is 5 or more, subtract from 9. So R2B,
9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I subtract 9. So again 4 bar.
4 bar, yes, sir.
Again, see, R2B can be repeated. Again, you can subtract minus 9 means R2B only.
I mean, why we don't adopt R1 here, sir? For 6.
No. See, you have to follow, understand. R1 is taken once in a cycle. Only once. If,
Only one.
once in one cycle.
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
yeah.
R2A is there, it is also applied once, and then you move back to R1.
to rule number 1.
But R2B, it can be repeated. Either it can be repeated or it can move to R2A only. Now understood?
Yeah, we cannot repeat R1 here. I mean.
R1 will be repeated only if, see, R1 will be repeated if after this only. Now here you will get 3 bar.
Yeah, 3 bar.
Correct.
Subtracted from.
Now here R2A, that is 5.
Yeah.
Got it? Now, if this number was 1, 4, 5, 6, then after this R1 will come.
1 remains same.
Yes.
Okay. Or if it was 4, 4 remains same. If it was 3, 3 remains same. If it was 6,
Then 4 bar.
then
Subtracted from 10. 10. Subtracted from 10.
subtract from 10 and plus
4 bar, yes.
we have to add 0 beforehand.
Yeah.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
So in one
Most of the
cycle, you have to apply once, but yes, in the second cycle, it will. So you have to remember this. R1 is done only once. If you see, I wrote very clearly, do this, then R2A. After R2A, go back to R1. But in R2B, I said repeat up till the process. Now is it clear?
Okay, sir. R1
Let's take one more question.
Yes. Give me one now.
54318.
5, 4,
4318.
8.
8.
You tell me what will come here.
The 2 bar.
Okay. Then
yeah, 2.
okay. Now here you have applied R1. Here you have applied R2A. What after R2A?
3 is there. Then go to step 1.
So that means 3 will remain
R1.
as it is.
Same. 3 will remain same.
4 will remain same.
And 5 will remain same.
No.
No.
Remember, if
Sir, 3 will remain same. We have applied R1. Again, applied R1.
now is it correct?
Yes.
But if this was instead of 5, it was 6, then what will you do?
Subtract from 10, add 0.
Yes, Murli.
1 4 बार
10 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे.
If it
put
was
0
6,
before 6.
then 1 4 bar would have come.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, any other question?
Sir, vinculum numbers to normal
Your
numbers.
voice is be bit louder, Murli.
So we have to add 0 also before that.
That we did, na? That's why I wrote 1 4 bar. Where this one comes from? 0 only, na?
सर विनकुलम नंबर से नॉर्मल नंबर में करते हुए एक क्वेश्चन था जो नहीं आ रहा है. 1 बार 2 बार
So yes.
1 बार 2.
एक्चुअली तो ये क्वेश्चन में ये हटाना था क्योंकि
यस सर.
बार पहले पे नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes.
अभी आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, बट अगर है तो भी हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं
Yes,
है.
sir.
दैट मींस दैट नंबर इज नेगेटिव.
यस सर.
नाउ सी 2 as it is,
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
then
9
Negative.
9
9, then
7
7
then
8
8
then
then 0
okay. Now
-9.
point is why this is not taken. Actually, you cannot, there would be never a case when you'll have a bar at the end. So
Yes sir.
it was basically a technique fault of printing, and otherwise this was removed. But
Yes sir.
in calculations, if you get, that means that is negative. When we'll solve
Yes, sir.
subtraction and addition, we'll do, then you'll understand. Otherwise this is the answer.
यस सर, इतना ही आया था 8792.
वो क्योंकि ये गलत था ना,
सर इसके आगे तो फिर माइनस साइन लगाना पड़ेगा.
माइनस लगाना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ ना वो गलत है अभी.
जी सर.
एक्चुअली वो ऐसे है, आप अगर इसको समझे 1 बार 2 बार 1 बार 2, करेक्ट.
यस सर.
नाउ अर्लियर व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू, पॉजिटिव ऊपर लेते थे, अब नेगेटिव ऊपर लीजिए. 1 2 1 0, दिस इज माइनस एंड दिस इज प्लस, ओनली 2. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दिस इज 1 2 0 8 नेगेटिव.
यस सर.
एक्चुअली दिस इज दिस मीनिंग. सो इसमें अगर आप इस एंगल से चलें तो ऑल आर नेगेटिव.
यस सर.
So when we cannot have this bar at the leftmost position, so it was just to, one thing is, yes, you can, it is a testing thing. Second thing, it should not have been, it is a printing mistake. One should not. So we have erased, we have put the fluid also some places, but maybe it is missed.
यस सर.
I take one more question.
Yes, वरना किए कहाँ हैं आपने? भेजा नहीं है असाइनमेंट.
So see,
हाँ बोलिए.
the 1 2 bar 0 0 1 bar 2 bar.
Correct. This is what I told you, 0. Now, if you do by place value, it is very easy. With place
Yes,
value,
sir.
it is 1 0 0 0 0 0 minus
यस सर.
2
2
0 0
0
1
1 2
2. So this is all from
7
9,
9.
last from 10. So all from 9 means 8
यस सर.
8 8 9
9
9 7. Correct.
तो
This is
वेरीफाई
all.
तो हो गया था.
क्या चीज?
वेरीफाई तो हो गया था, मतलब वो उसमें नॉर्मल में नहीं कन्वर्ट हो रहा था. मतलब इस नंबर को हमने नॉर्मल में कन्वर्ट करना है ना, 1 2 बार 0 0 रूल्स अप्लाई कर.
रूल्स में कर रहा हूँ, रूल्स में भी होगा. बोथ मेथड्स आई शो यू. आप कल ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे, ये क्वेश्चन कल सॉल्व किया था. See now, 1, 2 bar, 0, 0, 1 bar, and 2 bar. Correct? So first we apply R1, 8,
Yes, sir.
Eight.
8,
Yes, sir.
R2B,
1 bar,
8.
8.
1 bar,
Now that means 1 bar.
1 bar, 0.
Now R1. So 0,
Yes.
8,
8. Now,
0. Up till here it is correct.
Hanji, sir.
Yes, sir.
This 8, 8, 9,
9, 1 bar,
9.
bar,
bar. Then
Bar.
8, 8,
sure.
7. 7, sir.
yes, sir, 7.
7 या 8.
7.
See here R1 नहीं लगा, R1 नहीं लगा, R1 correct, R2A. So 8 only. How will you subtract? You have already subtracted. Now,
Yes, sir.
but this is again a vinculum number. So again 8, 8, 9,
8,
9,
9.
Sir,
7.
what about
हाँ.
0? We will not
And
solve.
7.
0 को क्यों करेंगे जब यहाँ पे ये जो 0 है, ये R1 आया, R1 में क्या होता है? If it is a positive, let it remain same.
Okay.
So it will have 3 steps, 4 steps. First, this is your number. This is first step. This is second. This is third. I
Okay,
told
sir.
you whenever there is 0 in between, be very careful. But yes, place wise,
Yes,
you'll get the answer within one step.
Yes, sir.
Now, is it clear? You can write down
Yes,
both the
sir.
methods.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Any other question you have?
अभी ठीक है सर.
Okay, sir. Everything is clear.
See, again, try the same exercise once again. I'm telling
Okay,
you,
sir.
this is the most important concept. And you will not get 5-digit numbers. You'll get 1, 3-digit, 4-digit maximum. But very important, very useful. One cannot avoid. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Rabi, any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Chalo. So now we'll be starting with a new topic. It is multiplication tables. Now we'll use this vinculum numbers. Till now you might be thinking, where will we use it? So first time we'll be using in multiplication tables.
Yes, sir.
This concept is known as multiplication tables using operators. Now, what is a meaning of operator?
परिचालक.
Plus, minus.
Here, the numbers itself. For example, if we have to, let's talk about 2-digit numbers. If 18 is I have to write a table of 18, then 1 and 8 are my operators. If 23 is the table I have to write, then 2 and 3 are operators.
Yes.
If 26 is there, 2 and 6 are operators. But in operators, we have to see whether that number can be converted to vinculum. So this is correct, 100% correct. But in this case, this is not 100% correct. Why? Because 18 has 8. 8 is
Yes, sir.
above 5. That means this number can further be converted to vinculum. So what is vinculum for
Yes.
this? 2 2 bar.
Yes, sir.
How? 8 minus 10 minus 2.
2 bar.
1 plus 1, 2 bar. So 2 and 2 bar are real operators, not 1 and
Yes,
8.
sir.
Here 2 and 6. So 3, 4 bar. So 3 and 4 bar are real operators, not 2 and 6.
Yes, sir.
127. So 127. 1, 3, 3 bar.
3 bar.
So that means 1, 3 and 3 bar are operators for 127. 67. So 6 and 7 are not operators. 3 bar,
3 bar.
3 bar and 1 are the operators.
Yes.
What do you mean by operators? The numbers by which you will be calculating, or the numbers which will get the results, right? The numbers with which we'll be multiplying, the numbers with which every calculation has to be done. Or you can say the corresponding digits of the number are called the operators. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yes, Rabi, Lokraj, Divya, anyone?
I couldn't understand
No,
in
sir.
which condition the digit is operator and in which condition the digits are not operator.
अगर हमने 12 का टेबल लिखना है, now 1 and 2 are operators. 1, 18 का टेबल लिखना है, तो 1 and 8 are operators, but these cannot be said real operators. Why? Because here 8 is there.
More than 5.
क्या ये number, Lokraj, can it not be converted to vinculum?
It can be, sir.
See, 12 cannot be converted, but 18 can be converted or not.
Yeah, it can be converted.
Converted.
Yes.
So what is conversion? What is 18 converted to?
In minus
2
2.
bar. 2. 2 bar.
2
2
2
bar.
bar. So 2 and 2 bar are real operators. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See the
Yes.
numbers, the digits of the number, the corresponding digits of the number are the operators. But if it can be converted to vinculum, then those digits are operators. Otherwise, simple. For example, now see, I have to write a table of, let's say 17.
Yes, sir.
Let's say, so 17, what are the operators?
3 bar, 2.
2 3 bar.
3 bar. Yes, sir.
23. Like 3 is the bar.
Correct?
2 3 bar
Yes,
are-
Lokraj, is it clear still here?
Okay, so
Yes.
17 is not real operator. I mean,
Sorry?
2 3 bar is operator.
Yes, why 2 and 3 bar are operators? Because 17 can be converted to vinculum. Na? 7 is bigger. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to do? Let me tell you. Let me show you. Just pay attention. Don't write first. I'll write everything. Then we'll. First is level. Now, place wise. Answer. And remarks, if any. Or explanation. Now I'll write down the operators here, 2 and 3 bars. What is the first level? Now, what is 17? If we have to write a table of 17, first level is always the numbers. So I can write here 17 also, but we know 17 is nothing but 2 3 bar also.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You can write that also. But ultimately the result required is remarks means this is the result. Sorry, this is answer. One answer here. Unit place, tens place, 100 place. So 2 3 bar, and here it would be answer. Right. Now see, I can write 1 7 directly because it is a table of 17 and the answer is also 17.
17.
Now what you have to do is, how do we write the table? If you remember, we add these and we add,
17 to it.
we add 1 to 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3.
3.
7 plus 3 bar is
4.
4. Third level, 3 plus 2 is 5.
5.
5.
Now you got it. What is operator? Again and again you are using that. 4 plus 3 bar is
1.
1.
fourth level. 5 plus 2 is 7.
7.
Yes, sir.
1
Then
plus
2.
3 bar is
2 bar.
2 bar. Now what is 7 2 bar?
7.
78.
No, 83.
Why?
You
7
have
2
to
bar.
convert.
70 minus 2. What are you doing?
Okay, 70 minus. Okay, got it.
Yes,
70
68,
minus.
68.
68.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So 2 steps, not worry. Fifth level. 6 plus 2 is,
8.
8.
and 8 minus 3 is 5.
5.
5.
85. So what is 17 5 is 85? If you
Yes,
remember.
sir.
Now see, we'll go reverse. If you understand this, after 85 it becomes 10. 8 plus 2 10, and 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This becomes 102.
2. Yes, sir.
5 and 3 bar. It becomes 12. It
Yes, sir.
becomes 1 bar.
1 bar.
Okay, this
8.
is 6th level. This is 7th level. What is 1 2
Yeah.
1 bar?
9.
119.
Huh?
1.
119. Very good.
9.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
11 plus 2 is
13.
13.
13.
and here 6
6.
Yes.
6.
9. 13 plus 2 15, and here 3.
3.
10th. 15 plus 2 is 17, and 3 minus 3 is 0.
0.
0.
What is this now? Got the table?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See. That means with unit place, we are doing unit place operator. With tens, we are adding tens, and we are getting the answer.
Mm.
Otherwise, if I would have done like this, 17 plus 1, 1 plus 1, it would have been 2, and here 14, then 1 carry over. But with the help of this operator, 3 bar, the calculation becomes simple. Did you understand?
Yes.
One more example. 28. So what are the operators for 28? Or what is the number? Vinculum number. Operators means first convert to
32.
Vinculum.
32, sir.
Sorry. I have written 28 bar. 28.
3 2 bar.
3 2 bar.
3 2 bar.
3 2 bar.
2 bar.
So first level, I'll write down 28 here as it is. It is unit place, it is 100 place, and these are the operators which I'll be using. Here I'll write answer, no remarks required. Second level, 2 plus 3 is 5.
5.
8 minus 2 is 6.
6.
Third, 5 plus 3 is 8.
8.
6 minus 2 is 4.
4.
Fourth level, 8 plus 3 is
11.
11. 4 minus 2 is 2. See the things, the reverse it is going on. And that is the reason calculation becomes simple. 14 and 0. So 28 5s are 140, correct? That means 6, 1, 7 and 2 bar. So what is 172
Yes.
bar? Now you have to do fast. 170 minus 2 is?
168.
Yes. See how now you got it where you need conversions. Seventh step. 16 plus 3 is 19 and 8 minus 2 is 6.
6.
8. 19 plus 3 is 22. 6. This is 4.
4. 4.
9. 25
25.
and this is 2. 10. 28 and this is 0.
0.
See, this is reverse. 86420 and this is 648462. You got the answer. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Sorry? Yes, Murli, you said something?
No, sir.
Okay. Then try 36. Try question 36. Table of 36.
Full bar. 6. 7. 72. 11.
Done?
Six. 22 full bars. 6. 7. 25. 9, 10, 6, 7. Done, sir.
Yes, everyone. Yes, Vanna, what happened?
So doing
इतना टाइम नहीं लगना, इतने में तो टेबल
Done, sir.
और हो जाएंगे. Yes, दिव्या.
Completed, sir.
लोकराज. Yes, everyone has done it.
Last digit having bar is increased, sir.
Where?
Like 4 bar, 8 bar, 12 bar, 16 bar in this bar.
How?
The digit having bar is increased.
I'm not getting.
I think only maximum bar is 4.
Later on, it increases, I think. What is he telling? 15, 19, 23.
Okay, let me. So 36 was there. What is the
Yes, sir.
first? Yes.
4 bar.
So it will become
Yes, Lokraj, what is your
44.
answer?
So first
Yes,
is
sir.
4 bar.
Let him
44.
answer. Let him answer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. क्या आएगा लोकराज जी?
Operator is 4 bar.
Correct. So 4 बार हम ऊपर लगते हैं. Level 1 की बात करें, so we'll get 36 first.
Yes, sir.
Second, 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 and
Then
this
2.
becomes 2.
2, yeah.
Third,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
4. This is 11. This
Yeah.
is
1, 1,
2
2
bar.
bar.
2 bar,
11
that will become
So what is
8.
1, 1, 2 bar?
1, 0.
This means 1 to
108.
8.
198. 1.
Yeah.
इन पे wrong हो
Yes,
गया.
Lokraj, up till here it is correct.
108. Yes, sir.
11 2 bar is right, sir, and 11 is
Then-
wrong.
Sorry,
If
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
11 and 4. 15 हो गया, sir.
कैसे 11 and 4? अभी 11 को तो किया नहीं ना ऐड.
Yeah.
मेरे पास 1, 1, 2 बार आया. इसको नॉर्मल में भी तो पहले कन्वर्ट करना है.
Yes, yes.
तो क्या आएगा इसका?
108.
108.
Yes. भूल गए. This is 110 minus 2. So 108.
108.
क्या हुआ? जोक क्रैक कर रहे हैं.
Okay, sir.
नहीं, जोक्स है तो मुझे भी सुना दो, मैं भी हंस लेता हूँ. Now 10 and 4, 14, fourth level. 14.
14, 4.
And this is
14,
4.
4.
Fifth. 18
18, 0.
and 0.
0. 180.
Got it or not?
Yes.
Now, fifth level. So 18 and 4 is 22 and 4 bar. Now
That is
2,
the sixth
2.
one, sir.
Sorry.
It is not 5, it is 6.
Okay, 6 step.
Yeah.
So 2
Six,
to 4 bar, that means 220 minus 4 is
216.
2,
2,
1
2, 1,
and 6.
6.
6.
Then 7. 2, 1 plus 4, 2, 5. 6 minus 4,
Yes, 4.
2, 8.
So
2
25
and
plus
9
28.
and 2 bar.
29.
So that means again 290 minus 2 is 2, 8 and 8, 9. 28 plus this is 32 and 4.
Oh.
10th is 36 and 0. So where is 8 bar, 9 bar? What you were telling? कहाँ गलती
Yes.
हो रही है?
कैलकुलेशन में गलती हो गया. ये रूल में गलती हो गया, कहीं रूल एडॉप्ट कर नहीं पाया.
कोई बात नहीं, आप ये लिख लो, अब पूरा लिख लो एक बार.
ओके सर.
कल का होमवर्क किया था?
कल होमवर्क थोड़ा किया था सर.
जैसे देखो, जब कोई क्वेश्चन जहां अटकते हो वहीं व्हाट्सएप कर दो. अगर मेरी क्लास नहीं चल रही होगी, आई विल आंसर यू दैट मोमेंट ओनली. क्योंकि ये शुरू में आपको 1-2 क्लासेस में ऐसा लगेगा नया टॉपिक है. रिटन, once you have written, let me know. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's take 67. So what are the operators? Yes, Lokal. What are the operators?
3 bar 1. 1
3,
3 bar
3
3 bar.
bar. 3, 3 bar.
ओके सर. 3 बार है. -10.
Yes, sir. 1 3 bar.
1, 3 bar, 3 bar.
1, 3 bar, 3 bar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see the difference. Now our number is only 2 digits. Our operators are 3.
3.
So 100, tens, unit, level. So I write 1, 3 bar, 3 bar. At first level, I tried 0, 6, 7. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No doubt on this?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Second, 0 plus 1 is 1.
1,
1,
6 and 3
3,
bar
4.
is 3.
3,
This is 4.
1, 3, 4.
4, 1,
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
4.
Okay, sir.
Third, 1 plus 1 is 2.
2,
2,
3 and 3
2,
bar
0,
is
1.
0.
0,
0,
4 and 3 bar is 1.
1, 1.
1. Yes, sir.
चलो थर्ड लेवल भी हो गया. Fourth,
3, 3 bar.
2 and 1, 3,
1,
3,
3 bar
3
and
bar,
2 bar.
2 bar.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is now 300
260.
minus 32?
260.
268.
8.
2.
So I'll write 268 here. Fifth level, 2
Yes.
plus 1 is 3.
3.
3,
6 minus 3
3.
is again 3. 8 minus 3 is
3,
5.
3.
Any doubt
5.
up till here?
No, sir.
Just go through it. Yes, Lograj, is it clear now?
4,
Sir, I'm clear, sir.
2, 3, 5.
0.
लास्ट स्टेप रिपीट करना एक बार दोबारा
4, 0, 2. Yes.
2 plus 1 is 3.
3 अच्छा
5.
अब 2 रह गया ना?
bar.
Because we have converted this vinculum to normal. So it is not 3 now, it is 2.
69.
Chalo. Is it clear?
यस सर
So complete.
8,
536.
15,
600.
5, 6, 0, 3, 10,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 603. 10, 8.
0.
7, 3 bar. 0.
6,
7 minus 20 is 670. Done, sir. Complete.
Yes, Mikesh. Okay.
Done, sir.
Now. So 6 will be 3 and 1, 4. 3 and 3, 0, 0. 5 and
0, 2.
7.
5,
5.
3 bar, 1 bar.
1 bar. So what is
1 bar.
500 minus 31? Or
460.
यहाँ पे 10, minus 1 plus 10, 9. Minus 3 plus 9, 6. And 1
Six.
subtract. So now you have to see, this will be used. So rules, apply rules immediately you can do. Now 4, 6, 9. So 4 plus 1, 5.
5,
5
3.
3 and
6
6, 9.
Yes, sir.
6,
6, 0,
0,
603.
yes, sir.
10,
7,
7,
7, 3 bar,
3 bar, 0.
0.
0.
Now 700 minus 30 is
670.
670. Any doubt now? Any doubt you have now?
अभी नहीं है सर,
No,
क्वेश्चन
sir.
करेंगे
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं है?
Yes.
88
नहीं
का
है।
करिए.
No, sir.
तो आएगा.
हाँ बोलिए. Go for 88.
88. Okay, sir. Two bar, 1 bar, 1. Label HTU 1 bar, 2 bar, 0 8 8. Okay. 2 1 1 7 8 minus 2 6 3 1 plus 1 2 7 minus 1 8 6 minus 2
3 5
4 2 plus 1 3 8 minus 1
0
7 2
0
4 7 minus 1 6 8 minus 2
5 2 bar 7
2 bar
6
1
6 1 6 8 7 0 4 9 8 1 bar 2 answer
40
6 5 4
5 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 minus 1 4
Yes, Lokraj, are you able to do?
Three.
So done.
6.
Completed, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, just now we did 67. It was 1 3 bar 3 bar, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now if I have to do 127, what is that?
Bar. So it will remain as it is.
1 3 3 bar
2 will remain as it is and 0.
1 3 3 bar
1 3
Good.
3 bar. कहाँ दिव्या ध्यान है?
No, I was just checking, sir. 1 3 3.
आप होमवर्क कर लो. Getting confused.
1 3 3 bar
See the difference. हाफ है उससे 67 and 127. 67 is just half. But कितना सा डिफरेंस है? जस्ट एक बार का,
Yes, sir.
सिर्फ इस बार का डिफरेंस है. देखिए कितनी वैल्यू में डिफरेंस आ गया. So now write down for 127.
127. Sir, 31.
So such examples will be fun for you, and it would, you'll learn more.
It's 2.
4, 3,
3, 4,
3, 8, 1,
3 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 4 minus 3,
11,
4,
2
plus 1,
bar,
4, 13, 1 9 3 2 बार 510
512 bar. This is
508
508. Yes. 6, 5,
3
7, 6, 2. 8, 9, 1 bar equals to 89.
1 बार माने 8 5 8 30 में 829
6. Then it's 10, 16. 7, 0. Done, sir.
Now is it fine? Or still
Yes, sir.
any
Yes.
doubts?
Done, sir.
Okay. So not only 3-digit number, let's take a very big, okay, one more, 728. So what is the,
7 2 8
now it is a 3-digit number, but the operators will be 4 in number, 4 digits.
Yes, sir.
What are the
3
operators?
10 3 bar 1 1 3 bar 3 2 bar.
Okay. Good. Rabi, you are not answering.
TH
Yes, yes. 1, 3, 3. So 1, 3 bar, 3, 2 bar.
3 3 2 bar.
One, 3 bar, 3, 2 bar.
0 7 2 8 2 1 3 4 5 6
6.
एक दुई चार से तीन एक तीन आठ
6.
चार
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please do 127 one time.
I'll do 2 times. Don't worry. What happened?
प्लस एक तीन
See,
एक माइनस
100,
तीन
10
दो बार
units
तीन
place.
बार
So 127
Yes,
means 1, 3 and 3 bar level. 127 is
127. Yes, sir.
8.
second. What is 1 plus 1?
54.
Sorry?
254.
Okay.
2 bar.
Third,
11.
381.
8, 1.
1.
Fourth,
411. 2 bar.
yes. Now,
1 bar. 1.
I don't, yes, you asked correct. Nobody asked this. Maybe they did it.
So that's why I stopped here.
No issues. So now you cannot have 2 digits here. First,
Yes, sir.
we'll do this.
And borrow 1.
5, 1,
5.
2 bar. Then
Okay.
now 502, 500, sorry, 512 bar. So what is that?
8,
5,
Then we will.
0,
5, 0, 8.
8.
वन
So 3 steps are there in this 4th level. Then
Sir, that's why I got confused.
don't get confused, ma'am. 5 plus 1 is 6, 3, 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
3012
Then
292
7, 6, and 2. Then 8, 9, 1 bar.
3
890 minus 1 is 8, 8, 9,
2
9, 9, 11,
2
6. So 1 goes here. So 10, 1, 6.
18 4
This
0
10 plus 1 is 11. This is
3.
something we have done here. 9, it is correct. It is not correct coming. 127 here we have done wrong. Just hold on. This is there, this is there.
3 बार
bar.
6 step is this.
Which one?
635.
635 is correct. 635 is correct.
635 is correct. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6.
762 is also correct.
This is also correct. Then 1 bar.
889 is also
9 is
correct.
also correct.
8. This is correct. 8,
2,
8,
9.
9.
Correct.
You skip
Yes,
one
correct.
step. After 6, it's 7 step.
Chalo, number.
Counting
8
is wrong.
minus 3 is 6.
So, yes. Then 8 is
1143.
10, 1 is after this 12, 7, 0.
0.
Yes.
Right?
Done, sir. 7 to 8 also done.
This you have to take care. You cannot have 2 digits at any one place. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lokas,
Yes, sir.
clear or not?
Okay, sir. I have understood, sir. Yes.
Sorry?
552.
Have you done it or not, sir?
डन सर.
लोकराज जी समझ आया कि नहीं?
आ गया सर, आ गया
थोड़ा सा बोल दीजिए,
समझ आ गया।
कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा हमारा भी। ओके 727 डन।
Yes sir.
चलिए एक और
720.
728.
728.
ओके गलती से। One more, let's try a 4-digit number also. 4 5
4
3
5
8.
3 8. Okay sir.
So let's
Two,
try this, and that will be a clear now, thorough thing.
4, 5, 3, 8.
4 5 4 2 बार.
Oh, you're correct.
Okay sir. 4 5 3 8. 4 4 8 5 5 10 9 0 4 3 7 8 2 6 9 4 13.
9076.
1 3 5 7 4 11 8 6 6 2 4.
5, 11. 1, 3, 6, 1, 4. 1, 3, 6, 1, 4. 6, 1, 4. 17, 11, 5, 2. 2, 1, 5, 2. 2, 1, 5. 22, 5, 6, 5, 9, 0. 2, 6, 9, 0. 6. 6, 11. 6. 2 bar. 47. 47, 2. 47. 21, 20. 7. 21. 6, 4. Seven, 2, 3, 2, 0. 2, 3, 2, 0. it's 27220. 27231 766. And then it is 35, 25, 12, 10, 4. Six, 304, 36, 304. 40, 8, 4, 58, 44. Done, sir.
Yes, Vandana.
Done, sir.
Good. Anyone left?
Sir, please check.
Confidence कहाँ है?
Sir, match नहीं हुआ.
4, 5 क्या आएगा?
4 2 बार.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
First में लिखा 4, 5, 3, 8.
Yes, sir.
Second 8, 10.
8 10 7 6.
6. So 10 का मतलब 9, 0.
9076.
7 6.
This is second level. Third
13
30,
1 3.
5,
Yes, sir.
5
4
11
then
4
4
4. 11 का मतलब 6 यहाँ हो गया.
6.
1, 3,
Yes, sir. 13 6 1 4.
4. So अभी तक 3 levels लिखे and we have written 4 statements. Correct. Fourth level
17 11 5 2.
So again 18, 1, 5,
1 5 2.
fifth. See, when you'll have
22
lines notebooks, so then it would be, there won't be any doubts.
22 6
9,
9 0.
0. Clear?
Then-
Up till here? 6,
Yes, sir.
26,
6 11
11, 13,
2 bar.
2 bar. So this is here, this is here. So 27, 2,
2
3,
3
2 bar.
2 bar.
So that is 27, 2,
7 2 2
8.
8.
ठीक है? So what at 7th level?
Sir, 8th level आएगा अब.
क्यों? हो गया वो कहाँ?
ये भी
Seventh आएगा अभी.
हाँ जी.
7th में 27 plus 4, 31.
31 6 6
31
6.
766.
6, 6. Then now you can do.
Yes, sir.
36 304.
Chalo. Yes, Divya, done. Lokrash.
Done, sir.
Chaliye. So this was using operators, the first use of your Vinculum numbers, which simplifies your calculation. Same we'll be using in multiplication also later on. So today we'll be concentrating more on tables. Now this was, if you have to teach to the students above class 6, so it can be 7th, 8th, 9th only. But when
Yes, sir.
it comes to smaller kids, they cannot understand this. They cannot understand the concept of vinculum numbers. So for them, it is not taught, neither the topic we did yesterday, nor this. Now for them, multiplication tables, the fear factor for everyone, we can do in mere seconds. So there are two concepts which you need to teach to all students. First is
Yes, sir.
multiplication table of numbers. Ending with 9. So what are the numbers that are ending with 9?
With 9, yes.
29.
मुरली,
9,
पीछे से
29.
म्यूजिक की बहुत आवाज आ रहा है.
ओके सर, मैं बंद कर देता हूँ.
1929 म्यूजिक सुनते हुए क्लास लगा रहे हो?
नहीं सर, गांव में शादी है घर के किनारे.
चलो थोड़ा दरवाजा बंद कर दो. 89, 119 and so on, whatever is ending with 9. So this is first concept and very easy. And you know, if you ask any teacher, anybody, can you write a table of 89, 79? They will say no. Because you don't have that confidence. But with Vedic maths, you can write the same table within seconds. Right? Now see. And the second is we can write all other tables. So we'll do that also. For first, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you do up till here? Yes, this. So Divya, you did not attend
Yes, sir.
it. Vandana, you did not attend it. So all those who have not attended the workshop, because others, they know how it has to be done. So first step is we start writing 1 to 9 from the rightmost corner, then the middle line, and then the top line. Right, this is the first step. Now, we will apply the first sutra here. Now, let's say we have to write a table of 19. So very first thing, complete 19 here. Done up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the sutra is e kadikena purvena, but where we have to implement on the number before 9. You don't have to touch this 9. Whatever is number or numbers are before 9. For example, if I'm writing a table of 19, then there is 1. If I'm writing table of 129, then it is 12.
Okay.
What I have to do, just add 1 to it. That means applying e kadikena purvena to this. Right. And this new number is to be added to this and correspondingly to every number. So 1 plus 2 is
3.
Yes, Vandana, 1 plus 2.
3.
3 plus 2.
5.
5 plus 2.
7.
Now we have to come the reverse way. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 17 and 19. This gives you a check. Yes, 19 starting, 19 ending. That means it is correct. Now what is this? It is a table of 19. And students find it very difficult otherwise to cram the tables. Remember the tables. But by this game, it becomes so easy. They start loving the things, what they used to have fear of. Is this clear
Yes, sir.
or
Sir.
any doubt is there?
Yes, sir. Clear.
No, sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
No, sir. You're saying no or
No
yes?
doubt. No doubt.
Get louder. Okay. Another
29.
question, for example, if it is 39,
3 should be added.
no, 4 has to add.
3 plus 4. Yeah.
39. That means 3 plus 1, 4 is to be added. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15, 19, 23, 27, 31, 35, 39. Hardly 8 to 9 seconds we took and we found the table of 39, which was really difficult for anyone. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write for
Yes,
29.
sir.
Please write for 29.
Done, sir.
So now see, you're able to do
Done,
within
sir.
seconds. Yes, done. Vandana,
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Lokraj. Anyone who is not able to do till now? Yes, please answer, Lokraj. Rabi,
Yes, sir.
is it done or not?
Yes, already.
Very good. Now, so my question generally is for 89 because this is what everybody feels tough. But see, hardly 9 seconds. Once you have done this, 89. So 8 means you have to add 9 now. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 53 plus 9, 62. 71,
62,
80,
71,
89.
80, 89.
Hardly
Yes.
10 seconds. But this gives you so much of confidence because this is one table which nobody wants to write. Being a double digit number, a big number, you ask any teacher, you ask any student, first question they'll ask, why should I write? Because in the inner side, they know that this is not easy to write in a normal way. See, writing tables, what does it give? It reduces the fear factor of the child. Because every child is having a fear of tables. I was discussing that day also. A child goes to preschool very happily, very excited. Class 1, okay. Then start subtraction, starting getting the fear factor because it's it is confusing, not fear. How 1 becomes 9, other becomes 8. But when tables start and you are asked to cram the tables, that is the most difficult thing. Right. Nowadays, caning is not allowed. If you remember, earlier, students used to get beating. Yes, everybody When I talk to the teachers also, even they don't know this tables. They also say, yes, it is very difficult. And they give you very, vague excuses. Tables are not asked in the exams. If they are not asked, why do you ask the students to revise it? Why do you ask students to cram it? I have seen number of times students standing on the bench or standing in the class because they are not able to cram the tables. See, if you understand this thing, no parent, no teacher asks a child to cram the things. In every class we teach, please understand and then do the things. Understand, learn, and then do. Yes, as a parent, we also say. But math teacher would say, I need the tables. I don't know how you do it. Cram it or else. So that is the first stage of cramming, where a student learns cramming. That is the first stage when a fear factor starts, because it is really difficult to remember all the tables. How can you remember tables from 1 to 99 or 1 to 49 even? Right. And when it is not required, why were we focusing on that? Why we were not focusing on something? How to get the tables in an easy manner? Right. So this is one such concept which changes all the myths, which gives the confidence to the kids. Yes, tables can be done. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts now, Varna? So it is not okay. If it is done, please write one more table. Very easy. I'll give you 99. Again, power gone. No issues. Now battery is charged still. Yes, 99.
Done, sir.
See how easy that was. You have to add 10 every time. That's all. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
So now it is not only 2-digit numbers. Let's say you are supposed to write table of 129. Even that can be written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is 12 plus 13?
13.
So 12 plus 13 is 25, 38, 51. Correct. Then 64.
64.
Then 77. Then
77.
90. Then 103. Then 116. Then 129.
9.
How much time we took? Same. So the point is, never think. See, maths is very easy. You can play with the numbers. Only the thing is, you should know the concept. So here, no cramming. Just try to understand the concepts. Yes, but you should have 2 eligibilities to learn Vedic maths. One, single digit addition. Very important. So if you are weak in this single digit addition, please practice. And then tables up till 8. 9 will do by the strict, but 8, it is, you need to be thorough with that. Then it should not be 7 into 8. Oh, no, it should be 7 into 8, 56. 6 into 9. Right. So this is very much important. Any doubt, any questions you have now? Divya? Yoga, Murli?
It's done.
No, sir.
Yes. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
No, Kraj, any question? Rabi?
No, sir. Done.
Okay. Now, so this was one thing. Okay, now if I ask you how much time you need to write the table of 87, then? Now 89 done. What about 87, Vanna?
35 seconds, sir.
Yes, Divya?
87, sir.
So now this is again a very important thing. If you talk to any children, like I had a class in Nepal. Now the children said tables up till 12. It's good. Whatever they know, it's good. But the problem was, if you ask, can you do 13? They are lacking in the confidence. Oh, how can I do 13? Now, if you know 12, 13 is not difficult. But so whose fault is this? It is the teacher who has to build up that confidence. If you know 12, 13 is not difficult. If you know 12, 19 is not difficult. If you know 12, 88 is also not difficult. The only thing you should know is right approach. Now, how do we write tables? 13. Okay, I'll give you an example of 13 first. So I write 13, ones are 13. This is cramming. Now, one student who cannot cram, we say, okay, add 13 again and again. 13 plus 13, 46. Then
Again
13,
add 13.
39. Then 13. So 52. And this way, is it right approach? So that means if the number is 613, he'll keep on adding 613 every time. Yes, this is what we do.
Yes, sir.
Whereas it was very simple. How? Let's consider this is a tens place, this is a unit place. Now, everyone knows the table of 1 to do it. Three, every student knows. Now remembering the same concept, 1 digit at 1 place value. So 13 as it is, because 1 at unit, 1 at tens, 26 as it is, 39 as it is, no addition, nothing at all we did. Just we got the answer. Here, 2 as it is, but now this number is extra. We move here.
52.
So that means I just added 4 plus 1,
78.
6, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 10, 4, 11, 7, 13, 0. And for this, students were not having the confidence. Was it so difficult? But you check with your NCERT books, you check with any government books, you check with any private school books. Nobody gives this kind of concept. And it is not a difficult one. As simple as that. You just share it with the kids, your children. They'll tell you, the happiness of their happiness will tell you what does this means to them. Because they never thought this way. We never made them thought this way. You are add 13, 13, 13, that's all. Yes. So power is also back.
Yes.
Yes, Murli. I
Done,
don't
sir.
know. I don't know about you, but yes, even I didn't knew this concept before I did Vedic maths. I was not having. I did BTech and all the degrees, but I was not having this knowledge.
Yes, sir. I knew it.
Okay, great. So when we did it, we felt like why it was not taught to us earlier. Have you taught it to your students, Murli?
Sorry, sir.
Same concept till 18 we can go, right?
Have
18.
you? Yes. Have you taught it to your school students?
नहीं सर, अभी स्कूल स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, 8 बजे के बाद स्टार्ट होगा इसलिए।
तो ये तो इसका मतलब ये आपने अभी उसमें किया, वर्कशॉप में सीखा है?
जी सर, वर्कशॉप में सीखा।
वर्कशॉप में किया ना, तो अभी तो हुआ वो 1 हफ्ता पहले, 10 दिन पहले की तो बात है। Your age might
जी
be
सर।
20 plus, so for 19 years you didn't knew this, na?
Yes, sir.
That is what I'm saying. Not, workshop means hardly a week before you learned or 10 days before. Similarly, any number you put, yes, Divya, any number, 18. So if a student knows 12, 12 means 1 and 2 table, then what is 18? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 means 16, 24, 32, 40, that means 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. Now any table is difficult for us. And that was the reason, that was the confidence. The students who were saying, no, we know up till 12, after half an hour, they said, we can do now anything. See, why we are teaching them if we are not able to give them the confidence and motivation? Teacher does not mean to repeat the text written in the book. That the first duty is to generate confidence, motivation. If you have motivated one student, he'll do anyhow. Every time you cannot be there with him in future, in life. But if you have motivated one student, or if you have given that confidence, he'll definitely bring, colors to your life also and his own life. Yes, Vandana, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So now 87, nothing. You write down 8, 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, 40, 35. So 8, 7 as it is, 4 as it is, 1 goes here.
17.
So 1, 16, 1 stays here, 2, 6 is there, 3, 4 and 8, 4, 3 and 5. So what we are doing, we are just adding single digit numbers which every student can do. But it was difficult for them to add 87 every time. Why? See carryovers. 4, 1 carryover, 17. Then 174 plus 87 means again carryover 6. Then again carryover 2. Then 87 means 8. Then 1 carryover 6. Sorry, 8, 4, 1 carryover 3. So every time carryover, that was the confusion. Yesterday, if we remember, in advantages, I told you carryovers are restricted or lower down and no borrows. So see, how many carryovers are now? Only 1, and that is not carryover because that is a simple calculation now. Is it clear? वंदना क्या हुआ?
Sir, nothing.
समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
देख लो बच्चे कितने डरते हैं टेबल से. क्या ये मुश्किल थे?
No, sir.
उसके बाद it's not again 2-digit number. You talk about any 3-digit number, 7, 8, 5.
7 table, 8 table, 5 table.
Hello,
Sir.
7, 8, and 5.
So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 8 ka, 16, 24, 32, 40, 7 ka, 14, 21,
21.
28, 35. So as it is 785 here, 0.
15.
Now 1 goes here, it becomes 7. 1 is further moving, so 15. Here 5, 5, 23, 0, 4, 31, 5, 2, 39. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Yes, everybody is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
See, now sometimes people will say we don't get tables in the question papers. It is multiplication which we have to do. So they completely wash out their hands with tables. So why you are asking the tables every time? Okay, no problem. Now see, if this question arises 785 into 8. Now how do we do normally? 8 5 is 40, 0, 4
40,
here, 8 8
64,
is 64, 8, 6 here, 7 8 is
56.
56 and 6, 62. Correct? This is how you do. Now see the Vedic maths mein
8 5, sir.
7, 8, 5, 8. So 8 5 is 40. See, this is how you do it. Think it is 8th position 40. Just add the balancing line so that you don't get confused. 64, 56.
0,
Now
8,
you'll say, sir, it was only in one line. You gave the answer in 2 lines. Because now 0, 4 is going here, 8, 6 is
8.
going. Yes, I gave the answer in 2 lines. But how easy,
But better.
how simpler it became. Because now you have the answers in front of you. You will never go wrong. Now this is, you can call it as place-wise multiplication. Every digit we are multiplying separately and then following the principle, one digit at one place value. A simple simplification of the process is there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Vanna.
Next.
Yes,
Ravi.
sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Mikesh.
Yes, sir.
Clear ho gaya?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any doubt
Clear.
is there? You can ask me right now.
No more doubt, sir.
Very good. Lokraj.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Murli.
Clear, sir.
Will not start with new topic. So today we did multiplication tables in 3 kinds. One was using operators and one for the small kids even. Right? Class 3rd, 4th, 2nd even. Any questions you have now? Any questions? आज नहीं कह सकते कि प्रैक्टिस करेंगे देन क्वेश्चंस आएंगे.
No,
इसकी
Okay, sir.
प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत नहीं है. कल का टॉपिक वाज डिफिकल्ट आई न्यू बट टुडेज टॉपिक इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट कि जिसमें हम बोल सकें विल प्रैक्टिस एंड देन विल डू. यस मुरली. रवि.
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं है सर.
very easy, sir.
Yes, Mikesh.
Yes, sir.
Any questions you have?
No more questions, sir.
No more questions. You have not asked even a single question. तो statement ही wrong हो गया.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी वंदना, अब ठीक लग रहा है? आज ठीक हो गया? इजी हो गया आज?
Yes, sir.
इतना first class में doubt tension होता है. Second was really tough. Second class is was the most confusing, if I say. Why? Because you have never thought of like this. We have number 27 or minus 27. Can we ever think that 2 and 7 is bar? We never thought of it. So that was the reason कि थोड़ा सा एक बार acceptance में difficulty आती है, but now you saw in this tables also कैसे उसको utilize करना है. Tomorrow or next class you'll see. अच्छा एक question देता हूँ अभी, though it is you cannot, I will not give you the solution right now because, but just think over it. ना मैं मेरा कोई मकसद इंसल्ट करना है मैथ्स की, बट 83 minus 35 plus 24 minus 52, अगर मुझे इसे सिंगल लाइन में सॉल्व करना है और द अदर वर्ड इज साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करना है, हाउ कैन आई डू? यस दिव्या. Vandana, think over it.
You mean to say without borrowing, sir?
45.
No, I don't. I want it simultaneously. Simultaneously means, now the problem is,
20 is the answer.
sorry, this is just a
20 is
small
answer.
example.
प्लस वाले अलग कर देंगे, माइनस वाले अलग.
Sir,
20 is the answer, sir.
वो simultaneously
वाला
कहाँ
use
से हुआ? That is known
20
as
is-
segregation. ये 4 ही numbers हैं. अगर ऐसे 50 नंबर हो तो आप पहले 25 अलग करेंगे, फिर 25 अलग करेंगे, तो 25 का जो टोटल आया पॉजिटिव और 25 का जो टोटल आया नेगेटिव, वो हमने मेहनत क्यों की?
तो
Actually, there is no solution in maths for this. Can you believe such a small thing? एक 4 digits को add और subtract इकट्ठा करना है and you don't have any solution in your maths. But we will do in Vedic maths in a single line.
Okay.
But आज नहीं कराऊंगा. Just
Next
think over
class.
it.
अभी करा दो एक बार.
नहीं हो सकता वो, अभी समझोगे नहीं. एडिशन कराएंगे ना सैटरडे को, फिर संडे हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
आप मैथ से सोचो कि साइमल्टेनियसली कैसे होगा. So there are some features जो we are not able to do in maths. और हमने कोशिश भी नहीं की. Second thing, we never tried also because we were told no, this is a limitation, goes up till now, up till this. Don't think of beyond this. Okay. But here you can move. एक ही क्वेश्चन को आप 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Right? चलो, I'll share video with you. Complete the exercise and submit कर देना. एक ही कर रहा है पर्सन अभी तक, बाकियों के पास टाइम नहीं है, तो फिर बाद में आपको ही डाउट आएगा.
So you want us to scan and send it to you, sir, after completing the exercise?
That is shared on the group, Facebook group, जिसमें से आपको, okay, I'll share you the group ID. That was Facebook. That is because their teachers can evaluate. I cannot see all the homework, right? And
Yeah.
it is also helpful for all the others, like वरना कुछ answers देखने थे तो वहां पे मिल गए.
Sir, share me that. No, I didn't know that.
I'm just writing it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you didn't attend it. It is group.
You can share it in the chat, sir. I'll just
I'm
copy
sharing.
paste.
It is where you can get the notes also.
Okay.
There are some notes available there, soft copies, and then there are answers to all the exercises. Right. So
Okay.
all the teachers they are submitting there, and then they are checking also. This is there. This is the group. It is the private group. You can see, right? Because the more you'll do, more practice you'll get. Right? Chaliye. Okay then. Any questions now?
No, sir.
Okay
No,
then.
sir.
Good night.
Yes.
Good night,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.